how to get the name of any song fast with Shazam app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to get now the name of any song with Shazam. So first thing we do is we go to Shazam, and as you can see now you have just to tap to Shazam icon here and allow it to get the audio, and as you can see it will get you the song name as fast as possible. And that's it for today's video guys. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching till the end.